I'm near the Texas-Oklahoma border looking west at strengthening storms in the eastern Texas Panhandle. This is a textbook shelf cloud right here, just as it's starting to encounter some deeper moisture right near western Oklahoma. This line of storms will be capable of producing quite a bit of hail because of all those cold temperatures aloft that are so common this time in the early season. And as these storms move into western Oklahoma, there is a chance that they could even strengthen into severe storms. And as is often the case this time of year with such strong low-level shear, even given the marginal instability, there is definitely a chance that these storms could wrap up and even produce a brief tornado. Even though the chances of isolated tornadoes are extremely low, they still cannot be ruled out with this setup, and that's because there is so much moisture streaming up ahead of this developing squall line that these will likely separate into discrete storms and possibly miniature supercells as they move into western Oklahoma. Tail, accumulating. Big time soft tail here. Right along I-40 just west of the Oklahoma line.